To update your JBL Charge 6 firmware, simply go to the JBL Portable app, of course, after connecting the speaker to your phone, and you should see this menu here. So you want to go to product information, tap on that. And then if there's a software update available, it will let you know. So it says here, new version available. Let me just bring it a little closer so you can see. It says new version available for software. So you want to tap on this little button and then tap on update. And that's going to download the updates to the phone and then transfer the update files to the speaker. So just keep your phone close to your speaker. Don't turn off the speaker. Don't turn off the phone. Don't separate them. Let them be and let this process finish up. So just about patience now. The speaker might turn on and off a couple of times during this process, so just be patient. Once it's done, it will let you know that the update was successful. Simply tap on Let's Party to go back to the main settings page of this. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any comments or questions, talk to us down in the comment section. Good luck.